What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us in the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
Riding with the main man, Post It Up. If you guys aren't familiar, I have an M4. Post Up's got an E92 M3. He got the E60 M5. Motor City Whips went ahead and wrapped Post Up's E92 M3. So you guys gonna get the full effect. You guys gonna really get to feel the new era of the E92 M3.
We got some other goodies involved with this that you're gonna see here too.
We all feeling excited, blessed.
Nervous a little bit.
Okay, nervous. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if that's the exact word, but it got the little butterflies above it. Cause I haven't even seen a sneak peek.
Right.
So I haven't seen it at all.
Happy for you, bro. This is gonna be lit.
Right. We'll be there in literally like 2 minutes.
Whip it.
The engine doing the dash, boy.
Oh my god! What?
What the?
Bro, that's your win.
Bro.
You're not serious.
Whoa!
Yo, this.
I ain't even parking right now, bro.
What?
No, you're gonna see.
So I can already tell off bat they killed it. They killed it. Oh, the calipers, bro. Oh
my god.
Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh.
We did this magnetic burst color on here
Okay.
in metallic, and then we did the calipers in yellow. Now that's not a regular yellow. When it hits in the dark, or when you shine a light on it, shine on there, it looks like it glows.
Really?
Highlighter one, yeah.
Okay.
If you look, we tinted the front windshield.
Okay. That's why it looks a little more sinister. Yeah.
They replaced the molding around the front windshield too. Shouts out to them. Thank you. So now it looks real crispy. Get the back.
Dude, the back, bro. I don't know what's my favorite. The front of the back, like. Ooh. Oh, and then you also ceramic coated it, right?
Yeah, they ceramic coated it too. So that's big, you know. They got put that extra protection on there. So this thing, clean as a whistle. If you even look at the carbon fiber roof, it's shining, boy.
Glistening, bro.
Man, they did an amazing job over here. Good job, boys. Like,
just clap it up. Clap, round of applause. Yeah, go ahead.
Great job.
If
you guys need anything done, make sure you come over to MC Whips, because you already see the detail they putting into the game over here.
You can really see that color down here. Look at that. The door handles are black.
We did the door handles in a gloss black. So it's like the accents around the car.
Yeah. Check how bright those brakes are. Like glow in the dark, reflective. Everything's all squared away. Oh man. Oh, that's crazy.
How's it look?
That's crazy.
Oh! Oh!
So if you guys don't know what's on the inside. And just like that, the car is wrapped, the deal is sealed. So we're definitely gonna take this car on the road, see what it looks like rolling out in the elements, all that kind of stuff. Oh, that purple coming out.
That purple is coming out in the sun.
Wow. How you feeling? What you think?
Dude, I gotta take my sunglasses off because this color hits so different,
Bro,
dude.
for real. Especially from the front with the carbon fiber and stuff, like, and the blacked out headlights. It, like, truly looks exotic as f.
Dude, for real?
Yeah.
I gotta see it on camera. Because, you know, driving in the car yourself, you don't know how it looks on the outside rolling.
Right.
I can imagine, bro.
You guys gonna see plenty more content from the E92 M3. Man, blast. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.